everybody. Today I wanted to go over grading a shirt pattern. You do need to grade your shirt patterns when you fall into different sizes for your different measurements. For example, if you fell into a size 8 in your bust and a 10 in your waist, then you would need to then grade your pattern. So what I want to do today is go ahead and show you guys how to do that. I'm going to use size 10, 12, and 14 for my examples. So when you get your PDF pattern, you want to, if your pattern has layers, that's excellent. So you want to go ahead and go to your layers section first and only select the layers that of the sizes that you fall into. So I'm going to go ahead and select only the size 10, 12, and 14 here. And then you're going to go ahead and print your pattern from there. I did a little drawing here to show you guys to explain in this video. So the drawing is not perfect by any means, but hopefully you could get the idea here. Okay, so I am a size 10 in my bust, so I'm just going to go ahead and put a little dot here after I print out my pattern piece and assemble it. And I am a size 14 in my waist, so I'm going to put a little dot here. For size 14 is the blue. And then I go back down to a 12 in my hips. So I'm going to put a little dot there. So how I'd want to grade the pattern, and slowly grade. There we go. And then I'm going to slowly grade my way back. And then continue my pattern. Okay. So that is how I would want to cut my pattern. Okay, so everybody, I hope that was helpful. And if you have any questions, please let me know. Thanks for watching.